Greetings everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add materials into Google Classroom. And the material that I'm going to add today will be a rubric for my coding class that I teach. As you can see on the screen, I have already opened up Classroom and I've opened up the class in which I would like to add my material. It automatically opens up into the Stream section, so I'm going to move over to the Classroom tab on the top. Now, the first thing that you will probably want to do is to add a topic if you haven't done so already. It's very easy to do. So you're going to click on the Create button, come down here to Topic, and add the title of the topic that you would like to have for this section. I have already created a topic, so I'm just going to hit Cancel. And as you can see, Unit 1 Problem Solving over here is the topic that I have created. Now to add the material, I'm going to click the Create button. I'm going to go down to where it says Material, and I'm going to open up the materials. And you will see that it has a fill-in box for you to add in the information that you would like to. So for the title, I am going to put that it is the Unit 1 rubric. You could put a description here if you'd like. I think this is pretty self-explanatory, so I am not going to add in a description at this point. Down here, we can add in the topic, and we've already created the topic, so I can simply come down here to where it says Unit 1 Problem Solving. But if you're like me and sometimes you forget some steps, you could also create the topic from this spot as well, and it will add it in there. So this is going to be my Unit 1. Now, the rubric that I would like to add is a Google document, and it is in my Google Drive, so I can come down here and click on the Google Drive icon. And when that opens up, you can see that it's been into Recent or in My Drive. I have opened this file recently, so here it is. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to add it into my post. I'm going to double check to make sure all the information is there that I would like to it, and now I can say Post. And now as I scroll through here, you will see the list of topics. As you can see, I have quite a few in here. This was under Unit 1. Here is my Unit 1 rubric. I can open it up and you can see that the students now have access to this. Now, if you are looking at this and you realize, oops, I did make a mistake, it's very easy to fix. You can always come over here to the 3 buttons on the side and click Edit and make any corrections that you would like to do, and then just hit Save. So now you can see that it's very quick and very easy to add materials, resource information for your students in Classroom. So thank you for watching.